Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can rename your website in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, and when you're here, go to your dashboard, just right here like this. Wix dashboard. Yep. And you'll be able to be directed here. And now you're gonna see site actions right directly to your picture. And you want to like click here and rename the site. And here you just want to site name, I don't know, Marcus, and you're gonna select site address URL, again, Marcus. Now it's taken out, so I'll just rename this one. Save. And voila, this is how you got it. So this is how you can rename your website in Wix. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.